What's up, everybody? I'm going to show y'all a tool that I rarely see people use when they're digitizing. Now, I'm in Hatch Embroidery Digitizer 3, and the tool that I'm talking about is the freehand open shape tool. This tool is it's just a freehand, so it's going to be like your sketching or your drawing, right? So with me, I have a what you would call a pen tablet. All right. So what I would do is, and I'm gonna show you with this example. If you see the black lines in here, I use the pen tool to make these black lines. So I'm gonna show y'all how it works. I'm gonna take my pen. I don't know if y'all can see everything. All right, now y'all can see everything. Take my pen, and I'm gonna click on the freehand open shape tool. I'm gonna pick my color, which is black. And I'm gonna draw my lines how I want them. This is the actual picture right here. So I'm just drawing these lines in the picture. So as you can see, my mouse is working with this pen tablet. So we're gonna take our freehand open shape tool, and we're just gonna start drawing the vines in. And this is all gonna be single run stitching. You see how the lines are coming? I'm just drawing everything in without the mouse. Well, if you was using the mouse, it'll probably be a little bit harder. But since I have a tablet, it makes it a little easier to use the freehand open shape tool. So now we drawing the vines on the leaf. And this is a tool I rarely see digitizers use. I think it's a really great tool, so y'all should try it out if you have Hatch Embroidery Digitizer and you have a pen tablet. Go ahead and try to use that tool, all right?